Hi, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Follow me as I spookify a dragonfly with the ghosting technique. No bleach, no toxic fumes, just ink and a secret ingredient I'll share with you. Start with a piece of basic white cardstock, 3 inches by 5 3/4 inches, and use a sponge dauber to rub pale papaya ink towards the center. Now switch to fresh freesia and rub the ink around the pale papaya and be generous. Blending brushes would work, but it would take a long time and be very strenuous on the arm. Next up is Orchid Oasis. Again, go around the fresh freesia and overlap just a bit. Don't worry about any blobs that are made. Those will be fixed in the next 2 steps. The last ink color is Starry Sky. I applied it in the same way as the first 3 colors of ink. Then I went back to the fresh freesia ink and went over all of the ink colors again except for the pale papaya. This blends the purpley colors together. Now for the secret sauce, Stampin' Mist. That's right, I'm going to stamp with stamp cleaner. I spritzed the dragonfly image off camera so I wouldn't get the cleaner on my work surface. Then press and hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Watch the image start to appear as the cleaner soaks into the paper. This technique works best with red rubber stamps. I did try it with photopolymer and did not have as good a result. Heat the entire panel to dry the image and the ink thoroughly. I inked up the spots image from the Quiet Meadow stamp set with Versamark ink and stamped randomly along the edges of the panel. A little silver embossing powder and the heat tool makes its magic. No need to use an embossing buddy. Stray embossing powder just adds to this card. I layered the finished panel on a piece of Orchid Oasis card, 3 1/8 inches by 5 7/8 inches. Then I adhered the matted piece to a Starry Sky card base, 6 1/4 inches by 7 inches, with the 7-inch side scored at 3 1/2 inches. The sentiment was stamped in Starry Sky ink on a strip of Orchid Oasis card and popped up with dimensionals. I hope you like my non-traditional spooky card. For more details, please visit my website at. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.